Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, a layer in the Earth's atmosphere called ionosphere facilitates radio communication. Why? First, the presence of ozone causes the reflection of radio waves to Earth. Second, radio waves have a very long wavelength. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, two only. So statement number 1 is wrong. Ionosphere contains charged particles due to which electromagnetic radio waves get reflected and communication becomes possible. Ozone is found mainly in stratosphere and in traces in troposphere. So its main function is absorption of UV rays. While the ions give the ionosphere its name, it is the free electrons that affect the radio waves and radio communications. Also, radio waves have the longest wavelength in the EM spectrum. So you should know which has the highest longest wavelength and which has the shortest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum, and what is the benefit of having short or longest wavelength. And you should also know about all this stuff. You should also know the layers of atmosphere like ionosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. What are the functions of these layers? So you should also know about this topic. So now let us discuss question number 2. On 21st June, the sun, option A, does not set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. Second, does not set below the horizon at Antarctic Circle. C, shines vertically overhead at noon on the equator. Option D, shines vertically overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. So you can tell the answer in the comment section. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, does not set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. So on 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. So option C and D is wrong. Places beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous daylight for about 6 months. So option A is correct. You should also know about 21st June, and additionally you can get knowledge about 22nd December, and likewise you can read about these other options also which are not the part of this answer. So in this way you can cover this question holistically. So now let us discuss question number 3. The annual range of temperature in the interior of continents is high as compared to coastal areas. What is or are the reason? First, thermal difference between land and water. Second, variation in altitude between continents and oceans. Third, presence of strong winds in the interior. Fourth, heavy rains in the interior as compared to coasts. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, one only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can tell the answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So the first statement is correct. So one major factor affecting the distribution of temperature of Earth is distribution of land and oceans. Since there is more land in northern hemisphere and more waters in southern hemisphere, and there is big difference between the specific heat of land and water, the loss of heat from the continents is bigger than the oceans. The continents get heated faster and get cooled faster in comparison to the oceans. So this is the reason that the temperatures of oceans are moderate while that of continents is extreme. The moderating effect on temperature of the land due to proximity of the seas is called maritime influence. The increasing effect of temperature on the land at interior of the continents is called continental influence. So this is the topic. You can read it from basic NCERT. So this was a question that was framed from NCERT book. So your concepts should be crystal clear. So this was all about question number 3. Now let us discuss question number 4. Tides occur in the oceans and seas due to which among the following? First, gravitational force of the sun. Second, gravitational force of the moon. Third, centrifugal force of the earth. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can tell the answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of gravitational forces exerted by the moon, sun and rotation of the earth. So you should know what do you mean by gravitational force, what is centrifugal force. So additionally you can also know about centripetal force, what is the difference between centrifugal and centripetal force. So in this way you can prepare this topic. You can read more about oceanography as well. Oceanography topic is very important, so you can read about that as well. So now let us discuss the final question of this video, that is question number 5. So variations in the length of daytime and nighttime from season to season are due to what? Option A, the earth's rotation on its axis. Option B, the earth's revolution round the sun in an elliptical manner. Option C, latitudinal position of the place. Option D, revolution of the earth on a tilted axis. So you can tell the answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, revolution of the earth on a tilted axis. So variations in the length of daytime and nighttime from season to season are due to the revolution of the earth on a tilted axis. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. So thank you very much.